process of repairing these parts is essential to extend the lifespan of the vehicle and prevent potential breakdowns. Regular maintenance helps in maintaining the performance and efficiency of the machine, ensuring it runs smoothly for a longer period. This meticulous work by the mechanics is crucial in keeping vehicles in optimal condition. This repair work, known as mechanical repair or engine overhaul, is fundamental to the longevity of any machine. It requires both skill and experience to ensure that every part is correctly adjusted and functioning as it should. The dedication of the mechanics ensures that the vehicle will perform efficiently for many more miles to come.